Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez were joined by Ben's bestie Matt Damon for a stroll on the beach in Malibu, California on August 8. Bennifer held hands for the outing, obviously. Matt Damon, 50, was all smiles while third-wheeling with Jennifer Lopez, 52, and Ben Affleck, 48, on the beach in Los Angeles on Sunday, August 8. The Good Will Hunting actor was pictured walking beside Bennifer, who held hands, of course, on a private beach in Malibu near Paradise Cove. All three A-list stars looked to be having an absolute blast together, as indicated by their big smiles in the snapshots, which were obtained by TMZ. Matt, who's been besties with Ben for over 25 years, wore a plain white t-shirt, black gym shorts and a hat for the beachside stroll. Meanwhile, the Gone Girl actor was dressed similarly casual in a blue t-shirt and black pants while locking hands with J.Lo, who outshined the two men with her elegant two-piece white cover-up that gently blew in the wind. Related gallery. Jennifer Lopez's hottest swimsuit photos, see her in bikinis and more. Ben and Jen got back together in May and have nearly been inseparable ever since. Basically the whole world has been talking about Bennifer 2.0, and Matt was even asked about the topic on numerous occasions. Most recently, he offered up a sarcastic answer to Ben and Jen's rekindled romance during an appearance on SiriusXM's The Jess Gagel Show in July. "But how else would I be? Like, would I be unhappy?" Matt said with a laugh when asked if he was happy about Bennifer being back on. "Like I hate true love, it sucks," Matt sarcastically added, before he went on to jokingly say that he wishes Ben and Jen nothing but hardship. Prior to that interview, Matt told Extra on July 26 that he was just so happy for Ben after the actor reunited with J.Lo, whom he was engaged to in the early 2000s. "He's the best. He deserves every happiness in the world," Matt added of his longtime friend and collaborator. "I'm glad for both of them." Bennifer 2.0 has been quite a spectacle since the former lovers got back together. In July, they ventured to Europe for a romantic getaway that saw the lovebirds go Instagram official when Jen shared a photo of her smooching Ben while on her PDA-packed 52nd birthday extravaganza in Saint-Tropez. Then, the couple cuddled up while gymming to Jenny from the block at a late-night birthday bash. They then traveled to Monaco, where Jen was seen sporting a necklace with 3 charms that spelled out BEN. While Ben and Jen's European vacation has come to an end, their romance is only continuing to heat up. After returning home to LA, the couple hit up the West Hollywood hotspot Olivetta on August 7 for a romantic dinner date. Ben and Jen linked arms strolling on the sidewalk outside of the eatery before heading in for a reported 2.5-hour dinner.